Tesla has improved Dashcam Playback with an awesome new addition, as the company has launched a web-based version that is potentially easier to navigate and operate. The tool is available at dashcam.tesla.com and will be enabled as your vehicle receives the 2026.20 software version. Clips that are captured by your Tesla will be available on the online Dashcam clip viewer once the files on your car's storage drive are encrypted. Not a Tesla app first noticed the new feature and states that once your Tesla updates to 2026.20, the car will automatically protect the clips with an encryption key that is uniquely tied to your owner account. The web-based viewer should be easier to operate for most. All you will do is head over to dashcam.tesla.com and log in using your account credentials. Ensure your vehicle is updated to 2026.20 in order for the web-based viewer tool to fetch your vehicle's saved dashcam clips. Currently, only a small percentage of owners are updated to this, so it may be a couple of weeks until a majority of owners in the fleet are able to access this feature. Watching dashcam clips on the Tesla smartphone app is quick and convenient, as they can also be easily downloaded and stored right on your smartphone. However, the clips are sometimes tougher to navigate, and in order to get details like self-driving activation, speed, and turn signals, owners have to screen record the Tesla app and crop out the rest of the screen. It could also be a massive storage saver, as you'll be able to download the dashcam clips from the online viewer and save them to your laptop, desktop, a flash drive, or even an external hard drive. This will keep all your clips in one place. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.